All right, we got a box of 2018 Elite Extra Edition. You get these at Target for about 20 bucks. You're guaranteed 2 autographs or 2 memorabilia cards in each box. One pack in there. Alright. You got Brady Singer, numbered out of 999. It's good for me. Henry, numbered out of 25. I'm going to have to look him up. Ooh. We got Yusniel Diaz, quad patch, numbered out of 399. And this is the first time I've ever pulled any of these, and this is, I think, a bigger name. Jose Siri, button, numbered out of 60. That is definitely a first for me. And Jonathan Ornelas. And I don't believe these are numbered, but it's like a pink parallel. So we'll go back to this Jose Siri. I have to look him up. I think he's one of the bigger prospects. They don't say anything about him on the back. So I'd consider this a successful hit. I'm not going to be touching up on the button or anything. But that's really neat. I said numbered out of 60. It's numbered out of 10. So, alright. Well, thanks for watching.